Hello everyone. Happy August 29th. Today we celebrate a snack time favorite, historical milestones, and musical talent. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting events are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Chop Suey Day. A tribute to a classic fusion dish with flavorful flair. A perfect gift could be a stir-fry kit, a new wok, or a restaurant gift card. Have a go-to recipe? Share it below. Next, it's According to Hoyle Day. A fun way to honor rules, fair play, and card games. A thoughtful gift could be a deck of cards, a vintage board game, or Hoyle's famous rulebook. Got a favorite game night memory? Tell us about it. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's International Day Against Nuclear Tests. A global call for peace, safety, and remembrance. A great gift could be a peace-themed book, a candlelight vigil kit, or a donation to a global awareness group. What does peace mean to you? Share your thoughts with care. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 1st to 5th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.